cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni, and today we are doing this makeup by using only products in pink packagings. As always, I started today's makeup by applying this primer right here. This is from Aden, the cream camouflage. I have finished with one eye in order not to take very long. And let me tell you some thoughts about today's challenge. Can I call this video a challenge video? Anyway, I was scrolling at my TikTok account. Yes, nowadays I have a TikTok. My name there is Catlady Antigoni. And I saw that someone tried to do a makeup using only products in blue packaging. So I'm like, this is already done. So I need to create my own concept based on this concept. So I decided to create my own concept based on this. And I thought, why not pink? Because I have kind of pinkish, purplish hair, and pink is my second favorite color. So that's why I decided that today I'm planning to use only makeup in pink packagings. Now, you might ask why this primer, because I don't have a primer in pink packaging. And also I'm planning to finish this Aden primer as fast as possible because I don't really like it. So if you can excuse me the primer, I promise you that the rest of the video will only have pink products. And now that we have already finished with the eyeshadow base, let me show you the palette that I chose for today. First of all, I'm planning to work with this. This is the collaboration that Colourpop had with Barbie, and let me show you the color scheme. It's so amazing. I love it. Like, in today's rules, we don't necessarily need to do a pink makeup, but maybe I'm gonna go to this direction. I haven't fully decided yet, but this palette screams Barbie and pink vibes to me. A more goth edition, as you can see from my outfit, but still I want to do something to the pink way. And also I'm planning to use this tiny cute palette right here. This is from another Colourpop collaboration with Hello Kitty this time. It is called Cherry Sweet, and let me show you how it looks like inside. I mean, it's so cute, right? Anyway, let's start with the Barbie. And from the Barbie, I'm planning to start with a very nice and pale shade to use it as a transition color. And basically I'm gonna go with Boardwalk, this one right here. It's not as light as I have planned, but I think that it will do. So I'm taking a quite fluffy brush like this one right here. This is from Beaumont, and I'm gonna go under the eyebrow area. I would like to continue with a very strong and bright and beautiful color in my opinion. So again, I'm gonna go to the Barbie palette and I'm gonna take this one, which is called Best Coast, and it has a tiny heart as a print, and oh my god, I'm truly in love with this shade. It is an amazing eyeshadow, so pigmented. I have used it in multiple makeup looks and trust me, it looks amazing. Look here. Wow, love it! Now from the mini palette, Hello Kitty, I'm gonna blend the two shimmery shades, which are called Lemonade, this one right here, and Hibiscus, this one right here. I love this pink with blue glitter, it's awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna take these two, then I'm gonna spray them with I Heart Revolution Cookies and Cream, and if you see the detail, it has pink letters, so I'm still in topic. And then I'm gonna apply the two shadows as a highlighter under the eyebrow area in order to be kind of pinky but not totally pink. That's why I'm taking these both, and I think that they will make the perfect combo for the rest of the eye look that I have in my head. I know that I said that today I'm going for a total pink look, but who can resist to this beautiful blue metallic, which is called Surf's Up, and basically this is gonna be my next color. Do you see a big gap here? This is where I'm gonna apply it, and let me choose my brush for this. Well, I want something tiny. Okay, I found it. So I'm gonna take this one right here. This is from Beauty Bay, the Techni Days collection. So I'm gonna take an amount and I'm gonna spray it a little bit because it is a metallic and I want the best performance that I can have from this color because I know how stunning it can be. I'm gonna complete the top part of my eye look by using another metallic. So I'm gonna go with this one. It is called Cali Girl, and it's an amazing kind of the color of the sun with glitter. So yes, it's a color definitely for me and definitely for this eye look. I'm looking down because I'm looking for a brush. I'm gonna take this one. This is from Beauty Bay. It's called On Point, and I think that this is discontinued nowadays. Anyway, I'm gonna take an amount and I'm gonna fill the little gap between the blue and the pink right here. Wow, look at it, it's so beautiful. Look at it! As a last step to finish with the basic form of this eye look is to take this matte blue eyeshadow from my palette. It is called Malibu Memories, an amazing blue matte shadow, and I'm gonna apply it right here at the bottom of my eye. By the way, I forgot to tell you that at my waterline I have already applied an eye pencil, and that was from Glam Shop. I don't remember the shade right now, but I would like to explain you why you see already a blue color right here, which is not obviously from the eyeshadow. And the reason that I'm applying some eyeshadow on the top of this is to try to smoke it out a little bit in order to have a very beautiful smoked and blend out result. And now it's time to use some eyeliner. Obviously, it's not in pink packaging, but I hope that you will forgive me because I have a vision for this look and I'm sure that you're gonna like it in the end. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna go with NYX Professional Makeup and their Epic Wear Waterproof White Liner. I mean, even this is black. Sorry for that, but today we're going for something different. And I think that right now it's about time to use some false lashes. So, of course, pink packaging, and I chose for today to use the Perfect from I Heart Revolution in collaboration with Aristocats. Remember, this is the word that I cannot really say because in Greek we say Aristogates, so to me it's like Aristocats, something like that. I hope that you understood. Anyway, they are kind of half lashes. They are so cute and they have a very easy application. I think that this is enough with the eyes, so I'm moving on to the primer, and for today I have chosen from NYX Professional Makeup the Marshmallow Primer, the one with the amazing smell. I'm gonna apply almost 2 pumps on my face, and unfortunately I don't have a pink sponge, but I have this heart-shaped, which I really like. And I also think that this primer is gonna be the great base for what's coming next, because today I'm gonna work with a lot of powder products. I usually prefer to start with my foundation and then continuing with my concealer, but today I'm gonna do the opposite. So I'm gonna use a liquid concealer. This is again from NYX Professional Makeup. A lot of pink products, NYX. Good job. Anyway, the point here is that I would like to finish with all the cream products that I'm planning to use, and secondly, I wanna move on to the powders. That's why I'm starting with this concealer. So I think that a pump is enough for my under the eye area, and a little bit at the forehead and a little bit at my chin. I think it's gonna be perfect, and I'm gonna work again with the same sponge from ELF. Usually I start by using a liquid highlighter and then on the top I'm applying the powder. That's what I'm gonna do today as well, and I'm planning to use Essentia, which I'm sure that I'm not pronouncing correctly, sorry. It's Polish. I'm not good with Polish, I have no idea, but it's Polish because it's from the brand Glam Shop, which is a Polish indie brand. I'm gonna apply an amount on my hand to see how shiny is this. Yeah, it's a lot shiny. I mean, look at it. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna take again my sponge right here and I'm gonna apply at the higher parts of my face. For foundation and blush, I'm gonna use 2 products from the indie brand Annabelle Minerals. So I'm talking about these 2. The foundation is called Golden Fair and the blush is called Rose, and I think that they are in such a cute pastel pink packaging, or at least in my head this is a very nice pastel pink. But I think that the foundation is kinda at the wrong shade for my skin tone, but it is what it is. I don't have anything else in kinda pinkish packaging, so I'm trying to work with this one and let's see what's gonna happen. Well, I'm quite happy until now, but I feel that my highlighter is quite weak, so ta-da! I have found this solution. So here I have from iHeart Revolution the Soft Shimmer Blusher in Strawberry. Is this a shade? I don't know. Let's see what we have here. This is how it looks like. Basically, it's a blush with highlighter, so I guess a shimmering blush. But what I'm gonna do here is to take a quite fluffy brush, like this one right here, also pink, please notice that. And I'm gonna go only at the strawberry part, right here. I'm gonna make sure that I will not have a ton of product on my brush, and I'm gonna use it as a highlighter. Wow, it's quite nice. Do you see it? Do you like it? And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. For today, I decided to tell you the Greek word for color because my makeup is based on one color packaging, specifically pink. So, in Greek, for color, we say chroma. Say with me, chroma, chroma. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word chroma. Tell me your favorite color or just tell me the word in your own native language. And last but not least, it's time to do the lips. I have chosen several pink products, but I decided to use only two. First of all, I'm gonna use this lip pencil. This is again from the collaboration between Colourpop and Barbie, and then from NYX Professional Makeup from the series Candy Sleek. The shade, oh my god, why is it so difficult to find the shades every time? The shade Jelly Bean Dream. So basically this is gonna work as the base color, and this is gonna work something like a gloss, which is not really a gloss. This is an amazing kinda like lip stain or something like that, because at the beginning you feel it like a gloss, but then after a while you don't feel the glossy part, but the color is there, and I love this product so much. Anyway, I'm taking my pink mirror because I'm on topic today, and I'm starting with the pencil. And that was it. This was our makeup for today. I hope that you were having fun with me. I hope that I succeeded with the challenge. I will be very happy to see your comments down below. First of all, about if I succeeded, and secondly, if you want me to repeat this challenge but with a different color of packaging. Also, I will be very happy if you subscribe here, if you follow me on Instagram, and also if you follow me on TikTok as well. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you a lot. See you next time with a more chatty video, and until then, bye!